In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit the header on your Shopify store. Let's initiate our journey by getting to your theme editor. To do this, you will need to go to your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to Online Store and then Themes. Once you've located your current theme, let's proceed by clicking the Customize button available by its side. Having entered the theme editor now, it's time to select the header section. In order to find this, look to the left-hand menu and click on the section labeled Header. Now that we've done this, we're going to have lots of fun customizing the header to suit your taste and brand. Let's start with your logo and layout changes. Here you can play around with the logo position, adjusting it for the best visual appeal. The logo size can be adjusted too, giving you complete control over how striking your logo appears. Moreover, should you wish, an entirely new logo and favicon can be added or the current one replaced in the theme settings. Next, let's customize the menu aspect of your header. The menu you would want in your display should be selected. You can easily alter the menu type, choosing from options like drop-down or mega menu to add that extra touch of convenience to your website's navigation. Look under Content, then Menus in the main Shopify admin if you need to add new items to the menu. Now that we've worked on the menu, it's time to infuse some colors and style into your header. You can modify the header's background color to suit your brand's palette. Typography can be experimented with, giving your page a new look and feel. Additionally, other design elements can be adjusted to match your style preferences. Another interesting aspect you can customize in your header is the announcement bar. This is the space where you can edit the text and link. This gives a very direct method of communication with your visitors, highlighting information you want them to see immediately. One more feature you might want to enable is the sticky header option. Enabling this would ensure the header stays visible regardless of how far the user scrolls down the page. This provides easier navigation for the user. Finally, after all changes have been made and you are satisfied with the overall look of your header, it's crucial to save all these edits. Simply click on Save located in the top right corner of your screen to apply your edits. And there you have it. Your Shopify header has been edited to perfection. I hope this tutorial was helpful as you continue to optimize your Shopify store for the best user experience.